Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Montevideo, Uruguay. Uruguay. And I'm at the King's Market. So I'm going to take you inside and we'll see what the food costs here. Let's do it. Here we go. And so it's the King's Market. And so I don't know if it's a big market, a small market, but we're going to see what prices look like. So sugar maybe 208. You know, I need to find the conversion rate again, but I'll do that real quick. Hang on one second. Okay, everybody, I asked, and it's about 40 pesos, Uruguayan pesos to a dollar, give or take a little bit. So like if these cookies here, these Oreos are $1.30 or 130 pesos, so 4, 8, or no, what would it be then? So what would 130 be? 130 would be 4, 8, 120, so it's almost $3, So that'll give you an idea. So crackers are 124 pesos, 160 pesos. And so we're just looking to see generally what things cost. So, you know, and they have some cookies that are cheaper and some cookies that are more expensive. How about juices? So they have juices here. There's all the prices. So like an orange juice, it looks like is maybe 171 for the big one and 90 for the small one. So $2 for the small one and maybe $4 for the big one, give or take. And then a pizza, no idea. More juices. They have Tang here. That's amazing. I haven't seen Tang in a long time. Cool. Huh. And here's coffee. Everybody likes coffee, right? So coffee, if you get like Nescafe coffee, $6.28. So it's going to be quite a bit of money, I think. Anyway, there's all the prices for all these items. So you can hit pause if you want to. I'll go down a little bit further. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Okay. So like canned tomatoes, $1.10. So that's what? Almost $3. Pasta, $1.10. Looks like corn, rice, more pasta. Let's see, do they have my soy sauce? Sodium salsa ingreso, 83. Okay, here's mayonnaise. Hellman's, $1.31. No, Hellman's, $1.76. Oil is $1.95 for a big one. Here's ketchup, Hellman's ketchup, $1.78, 74. Huh. And if you wanted regular pasta like spaghetti, it's $1.04 or 104. I keep saying $1.04, but 104. Sorry, that's it's what you're used to. You know what I mean? So what is ham? Ham is 204. Maybe whatever that is 190. Salami, 159. Hot dogs are 102. What else do they got here? Like a chicken breast, it looks like. That looks like a chicken breast to me. And there's no price on that one. We'll go down a little further. Bread. How about bread? 119, 193 for that loaf, 165. And then I don't know what the pastas are and such, or the fruit. There's soap here. So what does that cost? So toothpaste is 125, 152, 215. How about soap? Regular soap. So Bard soap is 80, so $2 maybe. 80. How about Pantene? Because I love Pantene. $299, 454, $299. And if you need deodorant and you stink, buy a bunch, 254. Okay, good. So yogurt's 111. Looks like butter's 94, 105, 105. Milk is 178, 178. Yogurt down here is 75, 235, 52. There's your beers. 99, 99, 99. A big huge Corona is 215. That's a big Corona. There's a Pilsner up there, but I can't see the price. But we're still not drinking, so I don't know. Heineken, $150 for that huge Heineken. So 150, that's what, 4, 8, 12. So maybe $3, $4-ish. Toilet paper, 97, 97, 65, 236. How about dish soap? 205 dish soap. Raid, 340, 340. Want to polish your furniture? Huh, okay, interesting. What else they got over there? Oh, I got a backpack on, so I got to be careful. So soda is... Oh, here we go. So Coca-Cola, 90, 142, 130, 180, 215, 90, 142. So they're all about the exact same depending on what you're getting. And Pepsi's all that. Let's see what else is here. This looks like laundry soap and stuff. 340, 340, 79. Okay, Carl. Lay's potato chips, 110. Doritos, a big bag of Doritos is, I don't know, 161 for a medium size. A big Lay's is 307. Pringles is 169. So, and then ice cream. Yeah, they don't. Oh, here's the prices for the ice creams. You can figure out what's what. Cool. Let's see what else is there. Wine. 760, 609, 515. Huge thing of Bacardi. Boy, that's a huge one. And it's actually glass. That's amazing. Huh. More wines. Well, you can hit pause and look at all your stuff if you want to. All right. Do they have gummy bears? I don't see any. Okay, everybody. That's it for me. Bye.